Hello everyone. If you are already a subscriber, welcome back to our channel. If you are viewing our channel first time and if you like our content, then please subscribe to our channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about prescription. A medical prescription is a written order by the physician to the pharmacist or to any healthcare professional which includes instructions for the preparation and dispensing of medicine to a particular patient at a specific time. Prescription on the basis of need are divided into two types. First is compound prescription and another is non-compound prescription. Compound prescription is also known as formula magistralis, which means master formula, and it is also known as extemporaneous preparation because it includes the preparation of medicine. Compound prescription is an order that requires mixing of one or more than one drug with suitable additives. In the compound prescription, the role of physician is to select the drug, its dose, and pharmaceutical dosage form, and after the successful selection of these three things, physician write down these things and forward it to the pharmacist, and then pharmacist prepare the medication according to the order of physician. Non-compound prescription. It is also known as formula officinalis, which means official formula. In non-compound prescription, there is no need of preparation of medicines as the medicines are directly obtained from the pharmaceutical companies. Compound prescriptions were used few decades ago when commercially drugs were not available in the suitable dosage form or was obtained through very difficulties and when it was very rare to find out commercially available drugs. Since at present pharmaceutical companies provide medicines in desired dosage form under their brand name and proprietary name, so there is no such a need of compound prescription and thus nowadays mostly non-compound prescriptions are preferred. Parts of prescription. Typically a prescription contains some 8 to 9 parts. Let's try to understand these parts one by one. A prescription starts with basic details such as patient information. It includes name of patient, date of birth, age, gender and address of patient. After patient information, superscription comes. Superscription is a message to the chemist or pharmacist which is expressed by a sign Rx, which means recipe, and it is a Latin word which indicates you take. After superscription, inscription is written, which is the main part of a prescription. It includes name of medication, amount of medication, strength of medication, what is the frequency of medication. Frequency means how many times a medication has to be administered in a particular day, and route of administration, by which route we have to administer the medicine such as oral, rectal, nasal, topical, etc. After inscription, subscription is mentioned. Subscription is basically meant for a pharmacist. It contains detail about what pharmacist has to do with the prescribed ingredients. As I have already mentioned that few decades ago, pharmacist was responsible for the preparation as well as for dispensing of medicines. Thus, in case of compound prescription, subscription was an important part. Nowadays, pharmacists just dispense the medicine. In case of Ayurveda or homeopathic, sometimes subscription is still used. However, in allopathic systems, subscription is nowadays not preferred. In a nutshell, subscription is for pharmacist. It indicates detail that what pharmacist has to do with the written medicines or by which procedure he has to prepare the drugs. After subscription, signa comes. Signa is also known as signatura or signature. It is a message to the patient on how he has to administer the particular drug or what amount of drug he has to take, what is the frequency he has to follow, or in which manner he has to administer the drug. In short, subscription is instruction for pharmacist, signa is instruction for patient. Refill indicates renewal period or the frequency of prescription. Refill is necessary in case of narcotic drugs or habitual drugs. Then after refill, warning and labels are mentioned. If required, warning or labels are mentioned in prescription. Then at last, prescriber information is mentioned which includes the name of prescriber, his current address, qualification and sign. And at last, date at which prescription is prescribed is mentioned. Some basic abbreviations which are used in a prescription for a frequency of medicine are SOS, Psi Opus C, which means a medication has to be taken only if necessary. If we feel like there is requirement for administration of medicine, then only we have to take medicine. In case of headache or stomachache, OD or Omen in die, it means a medication has to administered once per day. BD, bis in die, it indicates a medication has to be administered twice a day. TID, ter in die, it indicates a medication has to be taken thrice a day. QID, quarter in die, it indicates that a medication has to be taken 4 times a day. That's all for prescription. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video.